Mills Insurance Group is an independent insurance agency that operates in 28 different states, serving the contractors for the snow and ice management industry. They will work with you directly in order to help you overcome a lot of the insurance issues that everybody's facing right now. We've got products like general liability, which is required. We've got products like auto, workers' comp, things that are required based on snow contractors' contracts that they sign. So we try to help them and bring up the level of understanding with insurance, make it a little less scary. So what somebody should look for when they're choosing their insurance agents is somebody that's going to help them understand the business that they're in. From our standpoint, we like to see snow contractors be snow contractors. We're not going to try and discourage them to hide in the shadows and be less snow contractors, less winter operations. We're encouraging them to come out of the shadows and be proud of what they're doing. We're proud of the industry. So when they're choosing insurance providers, make sure that they're okay with not running from the snow, but coming towards it.